Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the factory reset your Beats Studio Buds or Buds Plus. Now this works on either iPhone or Android. Doing this may help correct issues or if you just want to sell them. Just like when you first bought them. Alright, now you notice right here the buds are connected. To factory reset, you're going to hold the button right here. And just keep holding it. Just keep holding for about 15 seconds until the light blinks red. Then let go. Now it's just entering pairing mode. Now you notice on the iPhone it's actually still listed, but the thing is if you press on it to reconnect, then you notice it's no longer an actual ding. So just press forget device. And hey guys, all there is to it. So hope this helped out.